witches.
What the hell do you know? You don't know. You don't know anything. This is all your fault.
Bob, I gotta tell you something. When I said I was retired from the unit, that was a lie. I'm on a mission. Which was just my cover-up. I've been reactivated. I couldn't tell you this because it's a black op, but...
You're an idiot. You wanna know why I'm with you? It's because I got drunk. I got drunk and just wanted to prove to my wife that I wasn't. Just once that I... Now I'm gonna die. She's right. I'm such a...
Have you heard of optimum trajectory before? Your life is like a river, Bob. If you're aiming for a goal that isn't your destiny, you will always be swimming against the current. Young Gandhi wants to be a stock car racer. Not gonna happen. Little Anne Frank wants to be a high school teacher. Tough titty, Anne, that's not your destiny. But you will go on to move the hearts and minds of millions. Now, sometimes events in life give an individual clues as to where their destiny lies. Like those doodles you just happen to draw.
The eye.
This is the Anya chakra. The third eye. The symbol of the Jedi. And when I saw you drawn it, well, the universe gives me a sign like that. I don't ignore it. You're meant to be here. With me, Bob. The Jedi inside you sense that. Listen to me. These guys out here, they're not werewolves or zombies. I think we're talking standard vampires here, okay? And what they're gonna do is try and take our blood. We can't let that happen.
How are we gonna stop them? I mean, there's 3 of them. And they've got fangs. We got nothing.
We don't need anything, Bob. We're Jedi. We fight with our minds.
What do you mean?
Let's say we have no choice but to fight with these guys. Then we use visual aesthetics to instill psychically in the enemy the disincentive to attack.
What do you mean?
Okay. You lock eyes with one of them. You go into a monotone, you say, no, I'm not going to attack you. You relax your body and your voice.
Okay.
Then you rip out one of his eyeballs. Or you use a pin, you stab him in the neck and create a fountain of blood. I mean, really, a fountain. Get the blood to squirt all over his buddies. That's a psychic disincentive right there.
You haven't got a pen.
You're missing the point. Come here, let me show you something. Come here. Choke me.
Okay. I don't want to do that, Lynn.
What am I gonna do?
Oh, there's just a lot of sharp edges around here. I don't know.
Come on, attack me.
All right, what's with the quotation marks thing? All right, it's like you're implying that I can only attack ironically.
Bob, quit jawing and choke me.
All right, saying I do choke you. All right, what are you gonna do?
I'm going to interrupt your thought pattern.
Oh.
See, I hardly moved. Physics-wise, there's not much going on. It's the psychic energy that's important. Are you okay?
Sharp edges.
You felt fear, didn't you?
Yes.
Would you say that level of fear was abnormal for you?
I don't know. I mean, I felt pretty terrified already, but I guess the fear I felt on the run into the choke did feel a bit, you know, unusual.
Do you know why? It wasn't you. It was me. I was in your head, fighting with the mind.